Hi, so what I have here is my Norelco 7300 series, and I'm going to show you how to take these blades out and clean them. So first off, what you want to do is you want to push this in and release. And one thing I do want to mention about this clasp is you don't want to push it in and have it click, because over time, like over many years, that is going to wear out this plastic clasp here, and then it's just going to pop out easily. So that's the first tip. The second tip is when you go on Amazon and you order these are going to be for about $10 to $15. So I'm going to show you a link at the bottom of this description area and also the website after I show you how to remove this. So just a close-up view here. You can see the arrows. You simply turn it counterclockwise and you'll see here it's going to loosen up. So if I turn it counterclockwise like that, it's loosened up. Now if I want to lock it again, just turn it. So it's just a very simple mechanism. So I have it loose here, turning it counterclockwise. Gonna release it and put these aside. Now these have basically two parts to it. so they just fell out. So I'm gonna slowly show you these, taking this out. So there's two parts: the blade itself and also the foil. So right now I'm going to just hop over to the Amazon website and show you what I bought for this. Now you'll notice I also do have a toothbrush, and I'm going to show you how to clean it out with a toothbrush after I show you where to get these replacement blades. So on Amazon here, what you'll find is you could get the genuine ones by searching for genuine, or just the off-brand ones. So I'll put in my model number 7310XL and a bunch of these will come up. So the brand name ones are $35. I'll have these links in the description area. The ones I got were just the $7 ones, or actually $8 ones. So if I scroll all the way up here, now these come basically from the same factory anyway, so I just get the off-brand ones. So these are adequate replacements. Now you want to be careful when it says 6-piece, because keep in mind there's 2 pieces per foil here and 2 blades, or a blade and a foil. So that's going to be the 6 pieces. It's not like you're going to get like 2 sets. So you're just going to get 1 set of the triple ones. So here's another set that's like 18 bucks, but I just got these. Now over the years, to me, they're all the same. They're pretty equivalent, the $8 or the $20. I've never actually gotten the genuine ones that are $35. Now, the original ones came with the genuine ones, and I have not found them to be any different. Now, these are all the 7000 series, so just make sure you have the right series. And once again, I'll have these links in the description area of this video. So I've got these pieces in the sink individually, and I'm gonna just clean them out. And they're basically all the same. I'm gonna brush them with this toothbrush as much as I can. So you can see all of these pieces disassembled. And right here, simply, brushing it. So you see all the stuff that comes out, even after I've rinsed them rigorously under the sink. So just to show you here, right there. And I'm doing that with all of the pieces here. And it's actually a little bit surprising how much gunk is going to get stuck. So just to give you a look at all of the different pieces once again. So all of these, just brushing it individually, and also this. Now, make sure that you have that plug covered and nothing falls in. That's probably one of the more important things, is plug that up. Don't lose these down the drain. That'd be a bad thing. So I've got all these pieces here, and now it's time to reassemble it. So just simply dropping these in, making sure they're snug in there. Like so. And then now for the razors, with this being at the top, and of course this being at the bottom here. And these are fairly flexible, so this is relatively easy. And now with this alignment, simply putting these in here like so, aligning the circles. So you see here with the circles, the 3 circles, the 3 triangular circles here, and then that hook. So the hook on that side, just turning it clockwise and hooking it back in like so. So that didn't take much. You could see that's hooked back in. Once again, you know, just twisting it like this. You could see that mechanism just hooking back in this side. And that's really it. You know, making sure it closed. And once again, push this in, close it so that this doesn't wear out, or both of these mechanisms don't wear out over years and years of use. So it might be fine, you know, the first couple of years. And, you know, releasing it like this. You know, so pushing it in first, closing it, and then releasing it without snapping, without that snappy sound. Otherwise it does wear over time, and then it's just going to pop out when it's loose. When the plastic gets worn out and it doesn't catch right on that piece of it. And there you go. Back to normal. As good as it gets now. Alright, thank you for watching, and have a great day. And thank you for supporting this channel. Bye-bye.